How have your holiday been and how are you spending it? I hope for you it's for the best. I wish you the best and everything you do all resides on your decision. Hi, welcome to Ferdinand tutorials. Today, you want to know what I'm going to be talking about? Yeah, I want to be talking about menstrual cramp. Have you heard of that before? Yeah, I'll talk about menstrual cramp and I'll also talk about migraine. But that's by the way.
Prepare a fish. If you want to prepare it, you go to some place where they sell it, buy it, save it, buy foods, and give it to it. Let it for some days. The two will grow like this fish. Some days, don't days. I'll snap it for you to look at the fish. They're so big and big water as well. So they are so big, and you have to know how to catch it. That will be my next video. Thanks.
Hello guys, welcome to our tutorials today. Welcome to Ferdinand's tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about migraine. Now, this migraine, we're not going to just be discussing about migraine. We're going to be talking about the symptoms. We're going to be talking about the harmful effect this sickness caused. We're going to be talking about how to treat them, and we're also going to talk about the triggers. What do you think that can trigger this disease? So that should be it. Now, when we are talking about migraine, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? It's not all about headache as you normally know. There is more to migraine than headache. Understand? So it involves severe occurring. Understand? This sickness continue to occur. It doesn't just come and go. No, it severely occurs. So welcome to our tutorials today. In this channel, we are going to be talking about migraine episodes. Now, we're not going to be talking about only the meaning of this migraine episode. We're going to be talking about the causes, the symptoms of this migraine episode, the triggers. We're also going to be talking about the treatment and the medication. No verse, I'm sorry. I didn't stop at no verse. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for being here. I want to see you in my next video. Is a plea. Please subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends who don't know about this video. Tell them, invite them about this channel, and sure they will come. So see you again in my next video, which is on Thursday. See you. We love you. This is Ferdinand tutorial. Everyone is a teacher, so try to teach others. Try to tell others about this video, and you're gonna be happy that you do that. Bye.